When people asked if I was crazy for driving out of town tonight for a comedy show and if it was worth risking my life, I just looked at them and said, yes.
Hey, this is a very snowy edition of Chowing Down with Ryan Sim.
Here we are in the green room at Port Weller, and I'm going to chow down some green room food. If we can ever get it open. We'll be trying for 5 minutes. Comedian David Green, 130 people on a Snowmageddon. Whoop. This is Ryan in the green room, chowing down. Ranch is one of those weird things. It's like the official spread of white trash. Let's see. Oh, they feel like airline chips because they're all puffy. All dressed. I'll review this because Americans can't even get it.
I remember it was good. I remember being a good time.
Before you came to Canada, had you ever heard of all dressed chips?
No, they're called crisps, first of all.
Let's do this. And what's this?
That is a tomato.
And what kind of food is this made from?
Potato.
You bastard. All dressed chips are my favorite. It's got a little bit of salt and vinegar, some barbecue. Take a picture on the front.
Funniest comic in Hamilton contest.
Oh gosh. In here, and I want to do my grossness. Boom, boom, boom. Ranch dip and all dressed chips. The official snack of NASCAR. Oh, I give the green room food, including the all dressed chips, 8 out of 10. This is Ryan in the snowstorm, Port Weller, chowing down. I am immature. I made it back to Hamilton. It's really snowy, but I'm safe. This is Ryan eating green room food, chowing down.